Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Spellbinders June 2023 club kits are now available for new subscriptions. I currently receive 3 club kits every month. 2 of them are their embossing folders. The one on the right is the 2D embossing folder, and the one on the left is the 3D embossing folder, and I absolutely love this 3D embossing folder with all the different shells on it. I also have their quick and easy card kit of the month. The kit includes an information card, has a couple of card samples, and a list of contents. On the back side, there's a tutorial showing how to assemble one of the cards. All of the card kit contents come inside a reusable zippered bag. The first item is the cardstock. You'll receive 20 A2 size card panels. There's light blue, a dark blue, light green, light pink, and also a light purple. The cardstock's always nice for layering, or you can use it for the background of your card. The card kit theme this month is A Little Hello. Next up we have the pattern paper. There are 20 6x6 size sheets, and these are all single-sided. Several of the designs have gold foil accents, which is always really pretty. There's a really nice mix of busy patterns with the tone-on-tone patterns. This blue floral with the butterflies is my favorite in the whole kit. Lots of lovely pastels and quite a few patterns with butterflies. So if you love butterflies, you'll probably love this kit. Here's another beautiful butterfly design with some gold accents. Here's a lovely plaid design, and then finally a tone-on-tone green pattern. The next item is a sheet of butterfly embellishments, and these are so pretty. I'll pull them out of the package so you can get a better look at them. There are 9 different butterflies. The top layer of the butterfly with the wings is popped up, although it does lay down flat, so you could still easily mail these without adding a lot of extra dimension. The kit includes 8 A2 size envelopes and 8 A2 size card bases. And the card bases have a linen texture finish on one side. Next up we have the chipboard embellishments, and there are 2 sheets. Lots of sentiments and a few icons, and the colors match beautifully with the pattern paper. The kit also includes a pack of die-cut shapes, and there are tons inside this pack. It is stuffed full, and I will lay all of them out toward the end of the video if you want a better look at them. This month there's a pack of chipboard frames. Really fun variety of different styles. A couple small circles, there's some squares. Some of the frames have flowers or butterflies on them. And the chipboard frames do have adhesive on the back side. These are fun to use to create a little shaker, or you could frame a sentiment or image. There's a fun bag of sprinkle mix this month. Beautiful iridescent colors. This is the perfect mix for creating a fun shaker card. The final items are a sheet of foam squares and a small roll of adhesive tape. And here's a look at all the different die-cut pieces that are included, and there are 2 of each. So many fun images and lots of little butterflies. Now here's another look at Spellbinders June 2023 club kits. If you are interested in subscribing to any of Spellbinders club kits, I do have links provided in the description box below. In order to receive the clubs I showed in this video, you do need to sign up and subscribe by June 27th. If there's a club you really like, I would suggest not waiting. They do have several clubs that sell out every month. There's also a value option if you want to subscribe to all of the kits at a really good price. Coming soon, I will be sharing my card video using these fun kits. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.